work in my new home. One of the challenges I see in helping clients downsize is their large family home furniture is too big for their new home. I hear from my clients how important some of those home furnishings are, how they took years to accumulate, and now the beautiful furniture they have won't fit in the smaller floor plans. Do you get rid of everything and start with new? That seems a bit pricey and is not necessarily practical. I'd suggest you start by determining the style and color palette of your new home. Use these as filters for deciding what to bring to your new home. Sticking to this can help you create a cohesive home. So letting go of these items will be tough, but allowing practicality to guide your decisions will save you money and a headache. My name's Leanne Gunnell, your real estate advisor and strategist in South Metro Denver.